Right guys, how are we? What is going on? My name is Jacob McDonald and welcome to the video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Christchurch, New Zealand. Welcome to the absolutely stunning Ngā Wai athletics track. Newly built here in Christchurch. It is the premium facility for athletics in New Zealand, believe it or not. And what I'm going to do today is something I've never done before, and that is reach level 11 on the beep test. Now, honestly, there's really nothing else for me to say. It is 8:30 in the morning, it's Sunday morning, it's absolutely beautiful, and I want to do some running. And I'm going to do some running on camera. Now, as you may have seen, or may not have seen, each and every time I've tried to do the beep test, I've thrown up. Or I've at least felt like throwing up. Look, I'm not going to say that it's not going to happen today, but what I'm going to try and do is just push out those feelings of nauseousness to level 11. You know, if I can just push it off, put it off until I get to level 11, then I can power chuck everywhere. I've got the PB. I really don't give a shit anymore. All right? It's got to that point. I'm telling you right now, guys, sitting here right now with you, I am willing to do whatever it takes in the next 10.5 minutes to reach level 11. How that turns out, I don't know, but you'll know. Don't skip to the end of the video, watch the whole thing, and you'll be an absolute legend. Now, what I'm going to use to mark out 20 meters, we've got our starting point, and 20 meters down there we've got a marker, but what I'm going to do to make that more obvious to you guys and to me is to mark it with a shoe. So I'm going to go and do that, and in about 15 seconds we're going to start this shit. Level 11. It's got to be done. It simply has to be done. I'm not going to stop until I get there. Am I well prepared? Probably not. Am I feeling very, very mentally fit today? Yes. Yes I am, and that's the main thing. So let's go. False alarm. Quick change of camera position. I'm going to put it in the exact position I did last time. There's too many lines on this track and I need some straight track. Alright, we're dealing with curved 20 meter sections, and that's simply not going to work. So what we've got here is the start of the 80 meter hurdles. Alright, there's a little metal panel down there telling me that this is the start of the 80 meter hurdles. So Take two. As I'm sure you can hear, it's pretty bloody windy, all right? It's not going to make it easy, but we're going to go anyway, so let's do it. 20 meters. Right, final thoughts. Yes, I may joke around a lot on this channel, but this is deadly serious. I want and I need to get to level 11 so I can move on with my life, you know what I mean? I'm severely disappointed in my efforts up to this point. So what I'm hoping is that today, being that it's exactly 9 AM, I'm feeling fresh. There is a wind. It's going to be in my face for one length, but it's going to be behind me for the length back. So, look, let's just get into this. Level 11, if I do it, I'll be so fucking happy. Let's go. 1 like equals 1 prayer, all right? And if I throw up, I throw up.
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Ready.
Start level 1. Level 1, 2. Level 1, 3. Level 1, 4. Level 1 5. Level 1 6. Level 1 7. Start level 2 1. Level 2 2. Level 2 3. Level 2 4. Level 2 5. Level 2 6. Level 2 7. Level 2 8. Start level 3 1. Level 3 2. Level 3 3. Level 3 4. Level 3 5. Level 3 6. Level 3 7. Level 3 8. Start level 4 1. Level 4 2. Level 4 3. Level 4 4. Level 4 5. Level 4 6. Level 4 7. Level 4 8. Level 4 9. Start level 5 1. Level 5 2. Level 5 3. Level 5 4. Level 5 5. Level 5 6. Level 5 7. Level 5 8. Level 5 9. Start level 6 1. Level 6 2. Level 6 3. Level 6 4. Level 6, 5. Level 6, 6. Level 6, 7. Level 6, 8. Level 6, 9. Level 6, 10. Start level 7, 1. Level 7, 2. Level 7, 3. Level 7, 4. Level 7, 5. Level 7, 6. Level 7, 7. Level 7, 8. Level 7, 9. Level 7, 10. Start level 8, 1. Level 8, 2. Level 8, 3. Level 8, 4. Level 8, 5. Level 8, 6. Level 8, 7. Level 8, 8. Level 8, 9. Level 8, 10. Level 8, 11. Start level 9, 1. Level 9, 2. Level 9, 3. Level 9, 4. Level 9, 5. Level 9, 6. Level 9, 7. Level 9, 8. Level 9, 9. Level 9, 10. Level 9, 11. Start level 10, 1. Level 10, 2. Level 10, 3. Level 10, 4. Level 10, 5. Level 10, 6. Level 10, 7. Level 10, 8. Level 10, 9. Level 10, 10. Level 10, 11. Start level 11, 1. Level 11, 2. Level 11 3. Level 11 4. Level 11 5. Level 11 6. Level 11 7. Level 11 8. Level 11 9. Level 11 10. Level 11 11. Level 11 12.
Come on!
Start level 12 1.
I did that for me, I did that for my kids, I did that for you, I did that for anybody out there struggling for motivation. I did that for you. Let's fucking go!